Book of Enoch, Chapter 1. Yeah. The word of the blessing of Enoch, how he blessed the elect and the righteous who were to exist in the time of trouble, rejecting all the wicked and ungodly. Enoch, a righteous man who was with God, answered and spoke while his eyes were open, and while he saw a holy vision in the heavens. This the angels showed me. From them I heard all things and understood what I saw, that which will not take place in this generation, but in a generation which is to succeed at a distant period, on account of the elect. Upon their account I spoke and conversed with him who will go forth from his habitation, the Holy and Mighty One, the God of the world, who will hereafter tread upon Mount Sinai, appear with his hosts, and be manifested in the strength of his power from heaven. All shall be afraid, and the watchers be terrified. Great fear and trembling shall seize them, even to the ends of the earth. The lofty mountains shall be trembled, and the exalted hills depressed, melting like a honeycomb in the flame. That means like a candle. So the mountains will melt like candles. The earth shall be immersed, and all things which are in it perish. Which means that all things shall perish because it's the end times. And this is the end time. This is our generation. This is the 70th generation. You will hear further reading this book that we are the 70th generation. You just have to believe that we are, because there was a prophet who prophesied. I mean, he isn't a prophet, but he prophesied that 2028 will be the end. And then comes 1000 years of Christ's reign, and then comes heaven and all of that. Okay. In perish while judgment shall come upon all, even upon all the righteous, even upon me. But to them shall he give peace, he shall preserve the elect, which means me, because I am anointed. I'm not just anybody, and towards them exercise clemency, which means he shall be lenient towards us. He shall give because he likes us. Okay. Then shall all belong to God, be happy and blessed, and be splendor of the Godhead shall illuminate them, which means that we shall shine like God. Okay, that's it.